I woke up at like 5 a.m. and I couldn't stop coughing. And do it till 400. Hi, Sophia.
I don't get like if let's say for example we go to Heidi.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I could make it one time. Excuse me. GG's. Excuse me. I will be doing everything in LA is so expensive. Oh my god, excuse me. Haha. 55 gallons. Gifts. My question is, ISO, excuse me, ISO Noctu plays both days. Are they? Oh wow, that was a good one. Oh, I want Sour Patch Kids. I'm not. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's because the wings aren't good, so when I got a full bike. Excuse me. Excuse me. Like low-key, I want to put this in the hallway and use it as like. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Same repetitive habits. Excuse me. Some up for Aiden. Oh my god, excuse me. Just not good. So I think Celine lied when she said just. Excuse me. Where's the fucking? Hi, yes.
Match found.
There we go. Stomach right now.
Come on then.
There you go. Excuse me. Hey, please follow my socials. Excuse me. Watch my YouTube video. Join. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi, Jade.